Sitting up nice and tall, keeping the spine erect, chest open, shoulders relaxed. Taking a couple of deep breaths here, moving the awareness completely to the breath, stilling the body and stilling the mind. We will begin the class with a couple of neck rotations. Keep taking deep breaths. Be always in tune to the body and ensure that you're feeling comfortable and safe all through the class. Please don't do any of the practices if it is giving any discomfort. Let's begin by looking up, inhaling head up, and as we exhale, dropping the chin to the chest. Let's do it a couple of more times. Inhale head up and exhale down, chin to the chest. And last time, inhale up and exhale down, chin to the chest. Turn our head side to side. Inhale, turn to the right, and exhale, turn to the left. Do this too a couple of times at your own pace. Sideways motion of the head. Once we are done with this, let's make clockwise rotation of our neck. Big circles, 4 times clockwise at our own pace, in tune with the breath, releasing any stiffness in the neck or shoulders, taking the time to do this. And once you're done clockwise, move anti-clockwise, giving complete rotation. Breathe deeply and slowly as you're doing this. Good. Now as you inhale, lift both arms up, elbows coming up straight. And as you exhale, twist to the right. And inhale, come up. And as you exhale, twist to the left. Inhale, hands up. Exhale, twist to the right. Inhale, hands up. Exhale, twist to the left, gently warming up the spine. Inhale, hands up. Exhale, twist to the right. Inhale up. And exhale, twist to the left. And gently come back to center. Let's do some sideways stretches. Keep your right elbow on your right thigh. Inhale, left arm up, and as you exhale, stretch your body to the right, extending the left side of the body completely. Don't collapse forward. Keep your chest open and your gaze fixed up. You can even choose to catch your feet with the right hand if that's more comfortable. Stretch gently on to your right, leaning to the right side. Breathe. Take deep breaths here. And slowly come down, repeating it on the other side. Left hand on the left elbow on the left knee. Or you can even choose to catch hold of the foot. Extend the right arm up and gently tilt to the left. Feeling the stretch on the entire right side of the body. Make sure you're not collapsing forward. Keep the chest open, keep looking up. Take deep breaths here. Long, slow, deep breaths. And gently come down. Swamp the shoulders and chest a little bit. Stretch your arms out. Bend your elbows, forming cactus arms. Exhale, bring the elbows close together. Inhale, open your chest out. Exhale, together. Inhale, open out. Exhale, together. Inhale, open out, working your shoulders and chest. Exhale, together. Inhale, open out. Exhale together. Inhale, open it out. And gently drop your hands down. And now let's come to the tabletop position. Coming on all fours. Make sure your shoulder and wrist are on the same line. Your palms are shoulder width apart. Your hip and knee is on the same line, and your knees are hip width apart. You can even choose to keep your knees a little wider if that's making you feel comfortable. Come to a stable tabletop position. And let's begin with a few cat and cow stretches. Inhale, head up, belly down. And exhale, head down, round your back, belly up. Inhale, head up, belly down. Exhale, head down, belly up. Do it slowly. Keep the breathing very slow. Inhale, head up, belly down. Exhale, head down, belly up. The body moving with the breath. Inhale, head up, belly down. Exhale, head down, belly up. And last time, inhale, head up, belly down. Exhale, head down, belly up. Stretch your right leg out, balancing yourself. And bring the right leg out to the right side. Place the foot down. Make sure your left knee and the arch of the right feet is on the same line. Keep your right hand on your right leg. Left arm comes up. Slide down the right side. Feel the stretch on the entire left side of the body. Keep holding, keep breathing. Take deep breaths. This works both on the legs as well as on the lateral side of the body. Make sure your right elbow is away from your shoulders. Left hand is up, chest is open, not collapsing forward. And slowly exhale, come back to tabletop. We are going to repeat this on the left side. Extend your left leg out. Balance here for a moment. And slowly take your left leg to the left side, foot coming down, the arch of your left feet and the right knee on the same line. Inhale, lift the right hand up and slide down the left side. Left hand is on the left leg. You're stretching the entire right side of the body. Take deep breaths. Keep your chest open. Keep your gaze fixed up. Take deep breaths here. Long, slow, deep breaths. And gently come out. Coming back into tabletop. You're going to do the side stretch one more time. The right leg coming out on the right side. Arch of the foot and the left knee on the same line. Sliding your right hand down. Left arm coming up, stretching onto your right side. Left side of the body feeling the stretch. Take deep breaths. Take your right shoulder away from the ear. Breathe. Slowly go back down into tabletop. Take the left leg out. Left hand on the left leg. Right arm comes up. Slide down the left side. Take the left shoulder away from the ear. Take deep breaths. Stretch and breathe. Hold the body still. And slowly come back once again into all fours. And take your knees wider apart. Sink down back onto your heels and rest in child's pose. You can either choose to place the forehead down or make a stack of your fists and place your forehead on your fist, whatever feels comfortable. Rest. Take deep breaths. Now slowly coming back up once again into tabletop. Let's do some gentle backward bends and opening our right arm up. Look up at your right fingertips, preparing the spine. Look up and breathe. And as you exhale, take the right arm underneath your left arm, your right elbow, right shoulder, right side of your cheek resting down on the mat. Relax. Feel the stretch between your shoulder blades. Take deep breaths here. And coming back again to tabletop, doing this on the left side. As you inhale, lift your left arm up and look up at your left fingertips. Breathe. Take deep breaths. And as you exhale, take the left arm below the right arm, resting your left elbow, shoulder and cheek down on the mat. Relaxing down here. Breathe. Take deep breaths. Coming back into tabletop, we're going to do this one more time. Right arm comes up, look up at your right fingertips. Breathe. And take the right hand down below the left arm and rest. Deep breaths here. Always making sure you're feeling comfortable. Back to tabletop. On the left side, inhale, left arm comes up. Look up at your left fingertips. Couple of deep breaths here. And exhale. Take the left arm beneath the right arm and rest. Deep breaths. Focusing between your shoulder blades. Slowing down the breathing. And coming back into tabletop again. Now take your right foot and place it between your palms. And take the left knee a little behind. You can even choose to cushion your left knee by folding the mat. Good. Sink your hip down, interlock your fingers, place it on the right knee. Push your hands away and tilt your head back, making sure your elbows are straight, getting into a gentle back bend. You can choose to stay here, taking deep breaths, or if your body allows you to, and if you're feeling comfortable, extend your arms up, arch back a little bit more. Always listening to the body. The first position is as effective as this. Choose whatever you feel like doing today, listening to your body, taking deep breaths. And slowly exhale, bring the palms down. Take the right leg back, repeating it on the left side. Left leg comes forward between the palms. Take the right knee a little back. Coming up, interlock your fingers and place it on top of your left knee. Hips sinking down and gently push back with your hands, straightening the elbows, looking up, getting into a gentle back bend. To deepen it further, only if your body allows you to, lift your arms up and arch back a little bit more. Take deep breaths. The purpose of back bends is to focus on our breathing. The lungs are expanded here. Take deep breaths. And slowly come down and rest in child's pose. Make sure your knees are wide apart. Either place your forehead down or make a stack of your fists and rest your forehead on those fists. Breathe. Make sure your breaths are long and slow. Taking the time to really connect with your breath. And gently come back up into tabletop again. Last of the exercise in tabletop. Now take the right leg and place it outside of the right palm. Take the left knee a little back. You can choose to stay here in a lizard lunge with your palms on the mat. Or you can choose to walk your hands a little forward. Or if you're feeling adventurous, walk it further forward and place your elbows down. Always listen to your body. You can choose to stay in the first position itself. Breathe. Take deep breaths. Focus on your hips. Try to keep the right knee hugged inside the body. Breathe here. Slowly come up, palms coming down. Now take your right hand and place it on your right knee, pushing the right knee away, looking over and above your right shoulder. A very gentle twist. Breathe. Deep breaths. Be very gentle with your body. Breathe. Breathe. Slowly come down. Take the right leg back. And now on the left side, take the left foot outside of the left palm. Take the right knee a little backwards. Choose to stay here itself if it is comfortable. Otherwise, walk your hands a little forward. Second stage. Or the final stage is dropping your elbows down. It all serves the same purpose. Listen to the body and do what feels right for you. Take deep breaths. Make sure that you are trying to keep your left knee hugged into your body. Don't let it flap out. Taking deep breaths, focusing on the hips. And gently come back up. Left hand goes on the left knee, pushing the left knee away. Look over and above your left shoulder. Beautiful. Take deep breaths. Breathe deeply. Slowly. Taking the time to breathe. And place your hands down. Take the left leg back. And rest in child's pose for a moment. And now slowly coming up. Let's do the butterfly. Bring the soles of your feet together. Bring the soles of the feet as close to your body by interlocking your fingers, placing it beneath the feet and pulling the feet close to the body. Sit up nice and tall, spine erect, chest open, shoulders relaxed. Once you're steady here, then start moving the knees up and down. Do it at your own pace. Do it slowly, focusing on the hips all the time. Keep taking deep breaths. And then push the knees down. Open out your elbows and start leaning forward. Imagine as if you're taking your chest towards the feet. Keep the legs at a comfortable distance away from the body if that's going to make it easier. Keep leaning forward, focusing on the pelvis and the hip joints, and take deep breaths here. Going to stay here for a couple of breaths. Make yourself comfortable, listening to your body, doing what feels comfortable to the body. Make sure your shoulders are away from your ears. Shoulders are relaxed. Take deep breaths. And slowly come up. Good job. And stretch your legs out, shaking it a little bit. Now bend the left knee and extend the right leg to the side of your body, making sure the knee is down on the mat. Inhale, lift both arms up. And as you exhale, tilt to the right, and with the right hand, catch hold of the right leg wherever possible, be it your ankle or knees or thighs, wherever the body allows you to. Left arm is up and extended, your chest is open, look up and breathe, feeling the stretch on the left side of the body. Take deep breaths. Don't collapse forward, keep your chest lifted and breathe. Few more breaths here. Very good for the legs. Stretches out the calf muscles, hamstrings. And now switch legs. Tuck the right leg in, extend the left leg out, left knee straight, left toes flex towards your head. Inhale, lift both arms up, and with the left hand catch hold wherever your body allows you to. Keep the right arm up, chest is open, look up and breathe. Take deep breaths. Make sure the knee is straight. You don't always have to grab the toes, you can even catch hold of the ankles or knees. The key is to keep the knee straight and the toe flexed towards your head. Take deep breaths. Feeling the stretch on the entire right side of the body. Breathe. Slowly release. And now come to stand up on the mat. Keep your feet more than hip width apart, at least 2 feet apart, 2 to 3 feet apart. Turn both your feet out. Turning the feet outside, both the feet outside. Make sure the heels are on the same line. And sink down, pushing the knees to the side. Sink down. Place your palms on the respective knees. And we are just trying to turn side to side here, as if we are taking the shoulder towards the opposite knee. Twisting a couple of times to the right and left, all the while keeping your squat going here. Take deep breaths. Do the movement in tune with your breath and gently come up, straightening the knees, extending your arms at shoulder length. And as you inhale, lift your arms up and squat down, knees going to the side. Exhale, come out slowly. Inhale, down, arms up. Exhale, come up, arms at shoulder level. Inhale, arms up, squat down. Exhale, come up, arms at shoulder level. One more time, inhale, come up. Exhale. Now bring your arm, bend your elbows. Hands in Chin Mudra. Keep the squat going. Hold the pose. This is called the goddess pose. And gently come out. Now bring your feet a little more closer together. Your toes are pointing away. And now hands in prayer position and very gently sink down into a complete squat or malasana. Use your elbows to push your knees further apart. Hands coming into a prayer pose. Make sure you're sitting comfortably with your feet fully planted on the ground. Take deep breaths. It works completely on the pelvic area and also strengthens the legs. Breathe deeply here. Focusing on the breath. Few more breaths. Keep holding, keep breathing, take deep breaths. And now place your hands down. Bring your feet together. And slowly come to lie down on the mat to your side. Keeping your left hand down, right arm right in front of you, feet are stacked on top of the other, your body is in one straight line. And slowly inhale, lift the top leg up, which is the right leg. And as you exhale, bring the leg down. Do it at least 5 to 8 times. Inhale, leg comes up, and as you exhale, take the leg down. Make sure both the knees are straight. Take deep breaths. Few more times here, focusing on the hip joint, working on your adductors and abductors. And gently come up and switch sides. Lie down on your right side now. Left leg on top. Left hand coming forward to support you. Knees straight, body is in one straight line. And slowly start moving the left leg up and down. Do it slowly, in tune with your breath. Make sure both the knees are straight. Do it at least 5 to 8 times. Really focusing on your inner and outer thigh as you do it. Few more times here. And once you're done, if your body allows you to, you can lie down flat on the back or just lie down to your side in a comfortable position and rest here for at least 5 minutes, taking the time to really connect with the breath, stilling the body and mind. Thank you.